Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how to hide the footer on the password protection page in Shopify Dawn Theme. So what you'll need to do is basically open your Shopify control panel, then click on Online Store and click right here on Edit Theme. After that, what you'll need to do is go right here and click on the password, and then you'll see this page. And what you'll need to do is just click right here on the password footer, and then you will see the custom CSS right here. And now what you'll need to type is dot password __ footer, __, and then open curly brackets, click enter, display, then none, and basically you will see that it works like charm. Now what we'll need to do is just hit save, and if we view like this, you will see that the footer is now disabled. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.